Hello, everyone, welcome back to PassFab. Gonna restore iPhone SE from your previous backup. What should I do if I forgot iTunes backup password? This video will show you how to recover iTunes backup password. First, download and install PassFab iPhone Backup Unlocker. Run it. Click Retrieve iTunes Backup Password. Select your backup. Click Next. Choose a password recovery mode. Select Dictionary Attack if you have frequently used passwords. Select Brute Force with Mask Attack if you have clue about your password. Select Brute Force Attack if you don't remember anything about your password. Click Start. Wait for a while. You can get your iTunes backup password. Now, enter the password to restore your iPhone SE from encrypted backup.